Hey guys, welcome back to my second video of Chinedu Trades. Again, if you're new here, I am a new trader, new to the YouTubeverse actually, but just wanted to sort of go over my trades with you guys, go over what I'm looking at in the market, how I trade, and just give a week recap of my week. Right, so essentially, I'm gonna go over my trade for the week, go over my trade for the month, and I'll probably do some market analysis videos as well. So let's just dive right into it. My week 52 was around September 30th to October 5th, right? So those five trades I made, as you can see in the title, around $2,700. Pretty solid week. Not my best, but for my consistency so far, it's definitely a confidence booster. So again, with this video, I'm just gonna go over some of those trades. I won't go over all of the trades, but we'll take a look at around three trades, two winners, one loser, and talk through what I did, what I'm looking at, why I entered the trade, and yeah, again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments. Again, yeah, if you're already this into the video, you might as well leave a like. You might as well leave a subscription as well because I'm gonna be dropping these videos probably three times a week. And for the most part, I just wanna, engage the community. I know that there are definitely traders out there who are better than me, more experienced than me, and who might see something that I'm not looking at. So essentially, I want to grow this channel so I can meet more people like that and sort of get my trading to the point where I can be almost limitless, right? So yeah, just to leave this disclaimer, again, this video is for educational and information purposes only. Go over my trades, but this is not financial advice at all. I'll be showing stocks and reviewing over some plays, whether that's XCL or SPX, but it is not financial advice. Please go over stocks and just essentially understand that trading involves risk and do your own research at the end of the day. So just to take a look, I have two accounts where I trade, one bigger, one smaller. I made, as you can see, my total was around 2,783. I took a lot of trades. I took a lot of trades for this week, around 22, 18 with the bigger account, four with the smaller. But yeah, I mean the profit was okay. Definitely not okay with the amount of trades I've taken, but just as a little proof, you can see. So this is with the bigger account. I made 4,400 from October 30th to September 30th to October 4th. I'm also invested in Apple, Nvidia, different growth stocks. So that's a part of this appreciation. And then in the second account, you can see around the 615 that I gained in that account, which is a 675 that I grew the account. So yeah, let's just take a look at the trades, all right? So let's go to the week breakdown. The best trade of the week was XLE. And then we'll take a look at RUT and then the one loser, SPX. So starting with XLE, again, I like to, if you're new to this channel, I do a lot of uh, trading, quick credit spreads, debit spreads, sometimes single calls, but I like to catch, my entries include different trendline breaks, patterns, candlestick recognition. I'm only in the trade for around 0 to 3 days. So essentially I'm very in and out. XLE was a trade that had some fundamental news as well. Unfortunately, there is a war going on in the Middle East. I think Israel attacked Iran at the time. So I knew that the price of oil will go up. And from the candlestick patterns that we were making, it's one thing that I do. I love to take entries off of candlestick patterns. And right here, we're making an inverted head and shoulders. Right. So we made one low here, made a lower low at around can't really see, that's probably around like $83, a low of 85, and then this next low wasn't did not make a lower low from the previous low. So essentially my point of view was if we're making an inverted, geez, can't say that word, an inverted head and shoulders, I can take this breakout to the upside. And we had some fundamental news, so this was pretty much an A plus trade. I wanted to take it to this resistance level. However, we broke past it the previous day, so I held on. I held on to some options for the next day. The next resistance is around $94. We might retrace before we get there, but we'll see how it goes because I am still actively in this trade. The next play was RUT. So that XLE, I played some debit spreads there and I also did some single calls. That play that I just showed you, the one I exited, was a single call option. I use those when I'm pretty sure that there's going to be a lot of IV, so there'll be a lot of volatility. And again, if any of these terms are sort of confusing to you, or if you're a more advanced trader and you know about it, definitely leave a comment, leave a like as well. But definitely, just leave a comment. Sort of if you have any questions on the terms, if you want me to explain it. Probably further in the future, I'll do another video breaking down credit spreads and debit spreads. As RUT, I actually took a credit spread. And it was a pretty good spread because the date to expiration was around 1 day. I'm taking it on a key level. Again, leave comments, concerns, anything. You have a question if you any of these terms are unfamiliar. But a key level, let's just break this one down. Let's use the rectangle. Look at this area of supply and demand. And then let's zoom in. So this is a 4 hour time frame. Notice with this level, every time price came down to this key level, we had a reaction. So uptrend, 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 retracement all the way back to this key level. Boom. After we hit the key level, uptrend, 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 retracement back to this key level. We landed on this key level and unfortunately sellers decided to continue bringing this asset down. As we continue to go down, we hit this key level again and again and again. So just my analysis was the fact that this is a key level, this is a demand level where a lot of action happens around this level. When RUT came to this key level, I entered a credit spread. Essentially, and you can see with my entry. So as price was coming down, we came to this again, this pink rectangle is that key level. So I wanted to say, you can see the yellow arrow stick is my entry. Move this camera. And then my break even is below this price. So essentially with the credit spread, all I want is for price to be above my break even price. And then I will collect the full premium because my options will expire outside the money. Again, leave a comment if you have questions with that. This is pretty much my complete trading style. So if you want to follow me and follow these videos that I start doing and definitely want to get my experience and to get the way I trade out there, ask the questions. I'll probably do another video on that as well. So when we came to this level, I placed the credit spread and look at how with credit spreads are more forgiving because I entered around 2,180, but my break even was around 2,168. So as price went up, I'm fully outside the money and I could collect that premium. So that's a bread and butter trade where this trade took around 1 day and I collected around $200 for that trade with just using price action as my analysis. So that's pretty much my trading style. Now let's take a look at the loser that I had this week. And this might not be the best example because I don't know what I was doing with this trade. Sometimes you just get cocky and you just want to take a trade. Let's take a look at the higher time frame. So here I'm taking a long, and as you can see, price is failing to have a breakout. So I don't know why I started to take a long here. And I think the world may never know. Chalk it up to one of these not following the plan type of trades, but hopefully, I guess, drop a comment if you know how to limit that. That's one thing that I want to work on with my trading is taking away some of those unnecessary trades that I do take that eat into the P&L. And this one definitely did because I'm taking a long as well as a debit spread. So I'm hoping that there's high IV and there's no clear direction. So if you guys knew what I was doing with this trade, let me know because I messed up bad here. However, the week was still good where I profited around, let's see, $2,700. I think I'll probably drop another video doing my full market breakdown where I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at for the next week. Probably break down oil, probably break down energy, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes next week. Definitely a good week. I want to continue with that trend. But I think I'm out, guys. Happy trading. Again, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. You might as well like the video. And then drop a comment. Definitely want to get some engagement. I want to talk to different traders. I want to see your strategies. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Like that previous trade, like you don't gotta tell me twice about it. But just going forward with some of the trades that I review, let me know if there's anything you want to see within the trade, why I entered, if you want a more detailed analysis. But let's just get the engagement up and actually start to build, right? So, yeah, this is Chinedu Trades and signing out. See you guys.